make sure that you subscribe on this channel. It helps a lot. Don't forget to watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, guys. It does something on YouTube too. And also like the video. If you like the video, it's gonna go to more suggestions kwezinye YouTube zabanye abantu. And also please comment what's your favorite episode or what do you see in this platform that you love. And also you can press the join button. You get the badge, you get exclusive content and also members only content.
Uzwakalanga neno angabafuna ukuphoswa yilento usikuphathela kuhle kodwa ngena.
Kasiqalele ngokuba which one awaqala ngayo uproducer le Dreamers Cup ingoma.
Alright,
I think kula album le uSiqapukile Inyongo.
Alright. No, uqala kwama producer. I think my first beat it was Sfikile Kha. Yeah, Sfikile Kha. It's on Battle of Cooks Volume 2. Uyabo. Abayaziyo bazabiyazi bangaziyo abazubaya uyazi. And then when now I produced Ubambelela. I think was my first song.
Wow.
Then I produced Amaku.
Yo.
And then I produced I Miss Home. Then I was flowing. I nutsotsi yena ndamphupha. Ndavuka ngo-5. Then the beat by 6 it was done. The Palera Lakes by 8 o'clock I was done with the whole song. And then again too, I was just flowing, you know, like I was flow 2000 and Shine. I would called Black Dillinger, Black Dillinger. Pull Up, man. I've got this song and Mappy was there and we're like, you know. Actually Mappy came through. Tamvisale Pete. He was like, yo, no man. Let's do something on this one, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like, I'm thinking of Black Dillinger. Because Black Dillinger I used to frequent at my spot, you know. So called Black Dillinger pulled through. And then I just came with a concept.
Wow.
2000 and Shine. And then Black Dillinger was on it. Black Dillinger is a genius. Boop, boop. Less than 10 minutes. Let's go.
My bad. This is 2000 and Shine.
Tell and the rest of you to die and shine. The Dillinger Dreamers Cup, we just make good sign. No, so yeah, man. I don't want to lie. Like making Kapukile Nyongo, it was epic, dog. Like it's one of the memories that will be always engraved in my soul, my king. You know, like it's the way it was cultivated, man. We were pure, man. We were flawless and for it too, you know. So like I don't know, man. Like every second of making that album. That's why the album I press to skip
Yeah.
We are hater.
Yeah, okay.
You know?
Then say it.
So like even like in spirit, man, we were one. Like besinga maphutha hlathini, besimbumba yamanyama. You know, like chale no ndichayo, sela le no ndiselayo. Yo. It was so nice, man. And yabona ke ngokekhaya. Ayizoza khona house. It was cross there.
Okay.
And igriza lam lala siphala blessing. Uangile wami asiphala blessing. Uangile wami sebefika pho aqambe yaziso akhe izimani. Kanti ndisifakele ipetrol nje. You know, in terms of yazi man olaqa nohani.
Never.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. Flex, man. You know, so it was nice. And abantu banalando ba. Why when ungekho kusiphume cooks? So I always tell them, ukuthi, sometimes as a creative, you don't really need to be part and parcel of the track. From a producer's point of view, Actually, no one know ukuthi uDla was not supposed to be there. Yeah.
Wow.
We went there no Redondo at Planet Earth. Because Redondo, la ngoma uze nayo. Like say, sashaya edits here and there. And then I suggested, bafethu, Kanye, Macho, Dangadon. Macho, no, gone.
Nice.
Kanti le uRedondo yena uze prepared. Kanti le nguBisto iqule yaligangatha nayo. Ule yaligangatha. Kanti le
Ibisayivile ibhithi qala.
udla uzosithola later yena. Yabo udla uzosithola later yena ba ekuse.
Sure.
Sekushubile musi. Wa Foster eze because udla ebesene 9 to 5 yakhe yabo. So xa si arrange a studio time like ebengakwazi ufika same time yabona lawe ngaphandle bamhlambi siya recorder khona ngayisi record ebusuku or maybe there's a weekends esithile, you know. So but hey wow ngibona udla sekuthiwa xa siya cause mina mos bensenze adverts, so I would go in town for castings and stuff, you know, and so Lula definitely at Pioneer Unit Studios. Then Nino, just hear what Lad did on the speed. I'm like, oh, this man. But like I don't want to lie because I at least I contributed on the song, you know, to call Kanye, to call Macho, even on the hook, say rework here and there, and my voice is there as well, you know. So, and for me, it was not a matter of course, Bendinazo, even
Your voice is there, like on the song.
However,
Down.
Why down?
chorus.
Okay. Okay.
Think about it.
Uyayiva mase bengena.
Hey, ring a bell. Awuniboni na kwi-video engathi part and parcel.
Yeah.
Video ni visible.
Yeah.
You know?
It's just
So-
that lathi basiqhela into ba. I'll fuck it.
Yeah, so look at
No, like you know, to be quite honest, because there's a track Yam Noma P there. There's my solo track there. Noba aping women get kokuyo. It's just that song. To be quite honest. Yeah, it's just that song.
Damn.
So for me it was you know, like inhlele ngoma as is, you know, I don't need to
follow
be
as-
yabona
But as fans, but as fans, that's khathazekile.
oh, but like
That's khathazekile.
Mamela King.
Every time they drop almost
if la ngoma niyayibona xa siyiperforma kukho ivesi yam pha
Yes.
check uSkyroom
Yeah, I'm checking. Yo, that's
nayo yabona lawe but by the way that was the best performance ever.
oh, ndandiyincoma nami leyana. Skyroom.
Kakhulu.
Damn, bro.
Lela-
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Production, everything, like in terms of your production.
Yonke.
Iphinde ibe nini. Nawe no dlama niyotshintsha aphinde abuye. Yeah, that was dope. That was
Hey, yona era yayinzima kakhulu leyana, like
No, it's
when we're taking us
Dreamers
back,
Cup,
like
untouchable.
era ye Dreamers Cup yayi very too much.
untouchable.
Like, even after ndibonile uba okay nohlukene and awusekho part of yona, I was very hurt because ndandinilandela kakhulu. So wena Khotman yam now umkile eCape Town okanye uzomka eCape Town uhamba namajita okanye uzohamba after nohlukene namajita uyoziqalela wena ba lino wena.
Benivana namachita mfethu yabo. Benivana namachita but it's just so unfortunate, you know. And bora lo mbuzo ne but like so yeah besivana namachita man but izinto khange zambe ngalendlela bese expected bamazambe ngayo yabo. And the unfortunate part, you know, siyile sokwenza le way
Sure.
khake ngokuthiwa uhambo luyazilawula ngoba unyawo linampumlo, you know. And then there was family dynamics before to be a rapper, you know, I'm a brother, you know, I'm a friend, I'm a father, you know, and to be quite honest, I have my own path. I would love to believe. If we suppose ba sisonke ngoku ngesonke ngoku, but ngamanye amaxesha if abafundisi abakwazi utshatisa i-couples bedivorsa bona, then if the oldest liberation movement in Africa, which is ANC, ngabane-faction iqhekeke, kube kwi-COPE, kube kwi-PAC, kube kwi-EFF, no one knows by PAC isuka kwi-ANC.
Wow.
No one knows that.
I see where you're going.
So if i-organization nemibutho emithile iveske iqhekeke, so who are we as three not umuntu ahambe side like, you know? God forbid kuthiwa ungapheliyo ehloko la, uyabo, wena king, you know. And to be quite honest, it might be a blessing in disguise for me, you know, that I'm not with the gents, yabo, because the contacts, the skills, the knowledge that I've acquired without Amachita, I don't think babendizoba nazo ezo zinto, uyabona la way ba mhlambe bebendinawo Amachita.
That's true.
And nditsho ba injalo, but I think ndithestiwe mna mfethu uba ndisatestwana ngoku, but what I've lost, I think I've gained a lot. I've lost a lot, but I've gained a lot. You know, you see izinto endizaziyo ngoku nabantu that I got to introduce to right now.
Okay.
It's big. Like for instance, now, Conscious Sundays, which is the event that I do at Joburg, which is, it's hosting Amachita amaninzi from Mpumalanga, Durban, Cape Town, Eastern Cape. It's far from the States and Europe.
Okay.
Amachita ayayazi xa befika eJoburg afikela kubani, you know, of which that's the privilege that I never had.
That's a blessing alone.
You know, like growing up, I just did Wega Klacha, a listening session. I host Loli,
Okay.
Native, Gwalap, Al Pacino, Gwalap, La Onks, Gwalap, Retex, Gwalap, Zulamti, Gwalap, Opizo, Gwalap.
Oh.
There's a lot, bafethu, on my air.
Okay.
Abosnocha from the Eastern Cape, my brother, you know? Like I've hosted like Amachita, ayayazi Amachita, like sir, Nino, sikhona esibangweni mfowethu man, osayita Amachita maninzi, you know? So ezo zinto bengazukwazi uzenza, and what I've learned, you know, like ukuthi ndindedwa ngoku, you know?
Yeah.
And for whatever decisions enzenzayo, I'm gonna hold myself accountable mfowethu, yabo. Akuzuba i-blame game. You know, and for me, as much as it hurts, you know, because half of my life, like, ngispending la Amachita, ayabona la way. Andifuna uthetha ke ngomabhiyena.
Yeah. It's not gonna be easy.
Childhood, yabo. So, but it is what it is. But ke wonke umuntu une race yakhe, ukuleni yakhe, une pace yakhe.
Straight.
Uyabo? And it was not gonna be forever, my king. Unfortunately, you like it or you don't.
It's life.
It's life.
It's life.
And right now, I've switched my sound. You know, because as a grown man now, you know, I cannot be talking about topics or concepts. So 15 years ago, you know, And even the style right now, because ndenza lento ndifuna ukuyenza ngoku
comfortable.
and ndiyayithanda futhi. Son. Phetha
Okay, what? He's a dance, he's fine.
No, ndiyayithanda le ndayithethayo uba ngoku wenza into ayithandayo, which means like akusekho la uba okay silinde igroup siyixoxa le way siyiva uba ithini le nto ithini. So which means after laa nto naniyoyenza phayane na zange nivisisane ngayo, it was this one ye-CIA or what kanye, and then navisana bona beyiva okanye baqonda ndiphuma ngapha ke ema-gents ke ngoku because andiyiva mos noba wenza njalo.
Not really when I'm a man. Like the way in a dynamics is you know, there's a lot of dynamics, you know, behind your honor when I'm a king, yabo. Of which anothanda man, you know, bendingenanzulu kuyo yabona lawe. Instead of bangoku umlilo acenywe singathi
Uyavusa,
uyabona. So when I'm a brother, for me it was like I told you ukuthi yeah, I personally like that album, like it never represented like the vision that I had, you know, or maybe what 3 is known about. Akuchiwa about twa evolve. Akuchiwa about twa yabo, but I'm not trying to fit in because the trends they come and go, my brother, you know, but lando kuthiwa yabona isiXhosa ndisithanda ngento eyi-1 kuthiwa ungabolahla imbo yakho ngopho because uphoyiyana yinto ethi fika iphinde ihambe
trend.
imbo. You know, it's like yabona like I told you ukuthi I switched sounds ne. I can be on a Kwaito track and still sound like El Nino. I can be on a Mpaqanga song and still sound like El Nino. I can be on a trap song and still sound like El Nino. I can be on my piano like mndakwethu. Like yabona indlela endiyiswitshe ngayo sound awunayibona. Qomba ngunino moslo. Umnandi but a grown Nino. Ukuthi nawe ne-OLED lakho xa limamela le ngoma lethi jonga yo.
Yazi bangibani.
Ayi man, ndiman. Andimazi bangibani, you know? So the thing is, I don't want to rap forever. That's one thing, and it's impossible.
But you want to make good music.
I just want to make good music, you know, like in a substance and a texture, you know, and the message is still the same, you know, but now it's the age difference. You see these young boys. I cannot be talking about Lane. Yabo, or a cat or a squeaker. Yabo. My daughter, she's 19, bro.
And when I put my name in lyrics zakho sloga zero and real yabo, and awukwekwelezi xa sowubhala ingoma ndiva kwa ii-verses zakho zitshisa oko xa udropa. Yintoni ekwenzayo qono no man mandihlale kule lane yam man ndifocus ngeli hlobo le hlobo ndibhala ngalo liyandisebenzela and ilano zi-lyrics zakho ziyaphilisa. I don't wanna lie.
Sure.
Xa sowurapper you make sense and nabantu na uyakuva okay uthi su ngoku wena rhotman nami into le ikupushayo qona no man mandihlale su man mandiyigcine lento yam ngeli hlobo lam ilindisebenzela ngayo. And how do you contract ingoma uyibona okay no man ingoma le?
Sure.
Yeah, well.
There's talent. There's a gift.
And a skill.
Yeah. Skill. And the calling. So if he has aligned as long as into, you know, and I think you will find the answer because sikhona ezinye ingoma it's like andifuna ukwenza into that in 10 years to come mhlawumbe ngumfundisi ngoku, you know, yeah, sithanda ithethela ntoni lewe yabo, whereas manje ngiyazi ukuthi, but sometimes the way it comes from the influence, what influences you yabo. It comes with the environment and atmosphere ne surroundings zakho, or ne background yakho, ukhule kanjani, ne beliefs system yakho yabo. So ezazinto ke wena mntakwethu anobiza ama-cherry mna, i-cherry ligqiyazana kuma isosifebe.
Yeah.
Uyayiva leyo ndithethayo. So kukho laa nto ukuzigabaza ngentetho, figures of speeches, because mna nentswemu ke kwifika kwisiXhosa, isigabaza ntetho, figure of speech yabo. Kuthiwa kukho ukhetho lwamagama.
Uyawachonga
Wachonga amagama. Ndingathetha nge-sex, but ndithi mna sibiziko.
Ukuchongile.
Yabo, ndilikhethile la gama.
Wow.
You understand? Instead of ba, ndiyibeke gabalala. You know?
Okay.
So what inspires me a lot, it's I love the Xhosa literature. As raw as Xhosa as is, batsho abantu, but abantu ilana kuthiwa ukuzihlonipho. Inja ikhanga, amanzi imvotho, icephe liwako, imbiza inteleko, amadoda amaguqu,
Isimundelo.
isibundelo isitye. You get me? So I think mna, more than anything when I put one man, lendo it's very spiritual to me, bro, and ithathi njengendlwane yanetha, you know. Xa ungumbhali mntakwethu funeka uyazi generations nge-generations izabo, because the-oral tradition injalo mos.
Okay.
Yabo. So for me it's a mixture of culture, a mixture of spirituality, you know. Ndinabo ubuKrestu kum andifuna uxoka, ndingathini, yeah. Ndinabo ubuRasta kum andifuna uxoka, and ndinabo isintu sikhona kwalapha. Yabona laa nto?
Yeah.
So
Because ndifuna uya kule nto kanye ba, what influence you? Kaloku wena ndibona injongo, there's a new journey, a new sound oyinanzile oyibambileyo ngoku. Kukwisinxibo esithile endike ndikubone onxiba ngaso. What influence you what influence esasinxibo kuwe and nale sound intsha?
Kukuzazi ba uzalwa ngubani, usuka phi, other than aba bantu bakuzalayo, your immediate family, kodwa basingayitsala emva imbali. Sizalwa ngamakhosi kaloku, yabo. Ngamakhosi, and I've been doing like a little bit of reading wena mntakwethu, ndiyalesa yabo, ne-researches zamu, and ndinentlahla yokudibana nabantu who are very like-minded, you know, and izinxibo zami ziba different, you know. Ukhona eze bathi ngusechina, ndithi no, this is Vietnamese, yabona lawe.
Okay.
Philippines vibes, yabo. Bekhona ke ngoku sekibhithe, sekibhithe, yabo.
Okay.
Sibekhona ke ngoku ezamaXhosa qho, you know. But ke mna ndiyathanda ukunyuka ndiye phaa phezulu, ngosahla mos bitsho imbali. Ihle, yabo. So bubume bamu ngoba uNike u-Adidas, ezinye impahla ke mntakwethu mna ndiyazithungela ngokwam. So ndamenda uthenga ilapho eMarket Street, ndisketshe le nto ndifuna isketshe. Ezinye ndiyabathengisela, ndibanazo nee-clients mna xa kuyiwe emitshatweni, kwi-traditional functions and what not.
Kuthiwa ngesandla sakho. Wow.
No, ndiyasketsha.
Okay, uyithumele.
Sketsha ndiye ku-tailor, ndithi Taylor ndifuna into sona andithethi mna ngeTaylor iTaylor nje ethungisiwe yakwekrazukileyo
Starting from the scratch.
design Taylor mna
umthungi lo unomtshilo omkhulu phaya no.
Yeah.
yabo and then but I like to distinguish myself from the rest.
So yilonto unxibe izimpahla ziso.
Because kumu, like when I speak, it's art. When I wear, it's art. When I cook, it's art. Yonke into yam man, art man.
You art.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yabo. So
versatile.
so jonga ndidibana nenye icherry. Andiyale cherry ba i-design entswembu. It kum le meti aligqiyazana. Ekuse you live on the edge, ne? Tibuza bango basi swam. Ati, not everyone is brave enough to wear what you are wearing. Jonga, umhleput, you have. Ala mankara kalogo aviske konba. Yeah. Banalo kalogo ta. Sugile. Ngokula wen. Uyanginceda. Ayizo zinto zami. Andizinxibayo every day. You know?
Only ka uperformayo.
When I'm aligned.
Yeah.
They're very sacred to me, you know?
Okay.
Akhona sometimes nxa ndifuna unxiba ngohlobo. But once siya was functions, there was events and whatnot. But I think it's art, bro. Like yabona ipotwe. Ngiyalichava ipotwe job. Indlela enipheka ngayo like it's creative.
Multi-talented. I want to go to the new sound. Khotman, are you switching to amapiano? Are you trying to experiment more? Yeah, explore okanye ya switch.
No. When I'm going to I'm stretching myself. You're still gonna get like a quick project of which I'm dropping this year.
Oh, nice.
You're gonna get your boom bap.
Okay.
Obviously. Definitely. You're gonna get a little bit of your trap.
Okay.
You're gonna get like some dance music, you know, your techno,
Okay.
Afro techno. You're gonna get amapiano.
I am interested. Pakwi techno.
Yeah.
Pakula techno music. Ungena interested for but yeah.
So it's gonna be, you're gonna get like a Kwaito based beat, yeah, boy. It's gonna be new for them.
Wow. New for them. So Khulmani, what this guy expected in the album yakho?
I think what you guys you need to expect right now, because I'm still in negotiations with like couple of companies and investors and funders, you know, because now you don't need to be signed, to be quite honest. You just need someone to put money behind, you know, behind your project and so andifuna ukhwaza ngekaphuma ehlathini.
Yeah, all right.
But a single yona end of March.
Okay.
If I feel good, you might get something here Valentine, but that thing is overrated, man.
Yeah.
So since it's your end of March, your end of Feb. Yeah. I wanna get something. So it's nice, man. And there's Afropop as well.
Okay.
You know, yeah, it's just the sound mnandi like him. And the can't yenzela way deliberately. It's just like udlalula beat okanye create a beat and then beat ibe yiyo le komba why not man imnandi le way man, you know? Cause I think I've graduated for just being a hip hop artist, but now I would like to call myself a musician, you know? So now what I've been doing, like I write hooks for people, I write songs for people.
Wow.
You know, features as well. I consult as well, you know. So So like yeah man,
Talking about features, who should we expect to Kilano's album yakho?
I work no Jesus Christ, lately, yeah, so like a song and there's some couple of international acts. I don't think but you guys know them.
Okay.
Mzukona essay. I don't want to reveal the mainstream guys,
All right.
I don't want to reveal. I've got a couple.
Okay.
Sabambile pa.
I've got a couple of mainstream guys. Low most definitely. And then I've got these mainstream guys, but I don't want to reveal their names and stuff, yeah, boy.
Okay.
So yeah, but it's dope. You know, Gogo, guys. I have the archive probably, and actually 3 projects because I have Vikwich Wave with Ayada Taweti, the actor, the actor Scandal, Gomorrah. So we did a project. It's more like Nas and Damien Mali vibes.
Okay, I see.
Like more like distant relatives.
Okay.
So we've got
then you
I think
Nas,
seven.
When you Nas, and then you know.
And the script yonke.
Wow.
I was scripted naye Shemumdagwe too, but it was recorded by him. I expected 2, but I think 2 projects this year definitely because your neck were done till.
Nice.
So we're still just working on a strategy and the angle of approach ukuthi sizayitisha kanjani ebantwini,
Yeah.
So like
Beautiful.
I can't wait.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
Nice piano. Nice piano.
Wait. We can't wait. And then, awuna kusidropele nje ke ipiano ke isingle like sive ke singamle nanguyo mhlawumbe ke match ke mhlawumbe ke.
Hamba sicinga loo nto kaloku bawukazi yabo.
Siyabhuka la matha.
Ndicinga loo nto man. Ndinenye ingoma controversial ke piano like ilami piano anditry uzenza omnye umntu ndisengula El Nino, so kumva uCasper xa ishaya ipiano. Uyamva ba uCasper lo.
Yeah.
And I change in
So like is it different? Like li tribal, likhona likwaitorowish, likhona lisoluish, like because khona enye ndikhumbule ekhaya, ndikhumbula abantwana basekhaya.
Okay.
Akho nto ivana njengekhaya, nobungahamba kodwa uzobuyela ekhaya. Ndikhumbule ekhaya, ndikhumbula abantwana basekhaya.
Damn.
Akho nto ivana njengekhaya, nobungahamba kodwa uzabuyela ekhaya. Buyele.
Can't wait.
You are really musician.
He is, no doubt.
Rapper, you are really musician.
So ibe khona ethi nqandana abafazi beni, ibe yadakwa abafazi beni, ibe yalahla abafazi beni, esobathatha abafazi beni, ekusenqandana abafazi beni, ibe yalahla abafazi beni, ibe yadakwa abafazi beni, thina sobathatha abafazi beni, abafazi beni, abafazi beni, abafazi beni, ekusenqandana abafazi beni.
Uyazilika.
Ndingathi ndibaselwe yilika njengoba ndiyilika.
Ezawuthandwa le ngoma, especially now kukhona leyenzeka ku Facebook.
Yeah.
And TikTok nguyo. TikTok ya nguyozipasisa. Bayihit.
Bayathanda abafazi babantu ta
That
ezawuthandwa.
song, I think that song I saw it on TikTok. We perform ku SABC. I think
SABC 3.
izindaba.
No wena uthetha undinje. Ndazalwa ndinje, ndatalwa ndinje, ndodlala ndinje. Uthi umama ndimhle, undithanda ndinje, mntanami uqine. Apho uya khona ufike,
beautiful song.
zonke izinto zitshintshe.
That was beautiful.
uThixo agcine ngonaphakade uphile ngoba indlela inde. kudala ndilinde into zami zize kodwa imeko isenje ingaske ndimke ndihambe ndiye kwanhliziyo ndise. Yeah.
Ku-2 terabytes we-drive. No, 2 terabytes we-drive, you know.
Beautiful.
Serious.
Naive, but damn.
What a beautiful song.
Mzukhona data. So I'm featuring Mzukhona. But now I've been working close in Mzukhona Power Studio. I'm working with Usbu. Usbu producer kaXarha. We have a couple of tracks no kaXarha. But we couldn't release it December because we couldn't release it December, December. But uXarha be busy ne toy yakhe wethu since abe promoter yeah, like album Ghetto Live Matters.
Yeah, Ghetto Kids, yeah, Ghetto Kids.
You mentioned uXarha a lot, and I've been listening to your praise, and you love him so much. What's the relationship between you two?
No, Lizzy, it's like we're peers, man. We're colleagues. And it happened ukuthi sihlala not far from each other, you know. So, like, whether there's leisure activities, sisiblomele, sisiphuzela, or sisenzela yonke, siyazibhrayela, or there's an event, soloko sihleli sonke, yabona lawe. So, he's a brother to me. And most of the time, like in Soloko Ndina, and we trying to build what we're trying to build. But kukabana bangayazi uXarha, he's also like mentoring, you know, the up and coming, you know. So I like the fact that he's level-headed and he's one of the guys who does my graphics. uXarha is nice when it comes to graphics.
He's so
Yeah, so yeah, we're too. It's dope because like even like he's following in my following, you know. He won like when I do event, he will pull up.
Yeah.
No baga perform uzofuna performer yo challenge esifuba yabo into nasencwabo. So like so basically we're trying to build man ubundako yethu yabo cuz kusendla kwamasimo eJoburg, you know.
Yeah.
So you need your own, you know, of which uXarha namachita wakhe naye uchomene namachita wami. So ilengime amaninzi amaXhosa eJoburg. That's why ngakwazi uthwaraza nothwaraza.
Kodwa ba-tribal kwela cala. Towards Nina, is it true?
Yes, but like they don't have a choice. If you can't beat them, you must join them. So they will get pissed off. Yo, amaXhosa. Oh. You get us 50 of us in one space.
Damn.
And it's ucing bafan ba hikiga abantu baziblomele bayohleli pha. You see maboneng amaXhosa, Marshall Town amaXhosa. You know, like I thought Jozi like was dominated by the Zulus or the Sutus or maybe the Tswanas. You take scene dog like
But course.
Xhosa, you know, like it's and ke ngoku thina siphinde sibeyilando basibambene, you know, like sibambene nyanyani, you know. So yeah, man, yo uXarha when I pull up neqhuba lami. uXarha when he pulls to my shows, he pulls up with qhuba like, you know. So ilando man uba itakuwe yabona lawe. So yeah man,
London avena decide uba nenzela combo.
the combo, yeah. And it's gone into Southzenza ezininzi kulonyaka yabo. Yeah, and there's more music. We did December, we did General Kwanazi, we did amaXhosa Mnyama. Yeah, those 3 tracks, you know, like that I know, you know. So yeah, man, siphathisene and siphululana imiqolo yabona nawe. Yes, but
Okay, lande fanekayo xa seniphumile ngaphandle.
Yeah, if you can tell abantu bana la combo ihamba njani, because mhlambe singabantu abaningi asiyazi bana how to book that combo and don't ihamba njani.
So that combo, when I'm a brother, mainly it's like performances wise, you know. So since Sichoba, united we stand, divided we fall. So amandla nawo xarha namandla nawo if singawadibanisa sibe yimbumba cause siyibonile la way iye yasipanela phi iye yasipanela eBhayi, you know, besiperforme one room bebefuna mna. Then I was like ndasuggesta kwi-promoter ukuthi ndihamba nentwana yam, how about?
Okay.
I was just putting it out there. So like, oh, okay, why not? So and then sabona the more like we were making music and siya collaborate because I'm into events, yabo, I'm into events. Like I said, ukuthi for me ezinye izinto it's a blessing in disguise, you know. So you might think it's a curse, kanti it's a blessing, you know. So Conscious Sundays, which is my event, ayenzekayo every last Sundays of every month. Sifumene traction. Sintswembu. It's registered, it's called Conscious Sundays Media, PTY Ltd. Leyo.
Okay.
Then the NPC, the NPO, Conscious Ubuntu Africa, because the last event that I did, I fed 60 families to be quite on 80 families to be quite exact. So what we did, we spoke with all Time to Care, Kazamia Foundation, so they gave us like a food hampers. Food hamper of Umana mili 5 kg. 750 mils oil. Macaroni 1 kg. Sugar 2 kg. Kiwa 1 kg. And then entrance fee ibe simpahla zakho ezindala, your blankies, your non-perishable foods, your toys, your books, or any other form of financial donations. So then entrance fee leyo. So abantu shemba pleasure, you know, nangona iphethe suitcase egcwele impahla.
Okay.
Ashiye lo 200 you know.
That, okay.
So we had like beneficiaries ezitu othandweni orphanage home, and then we had Soweto Care for the Aged, which is it's an old age home. So they were beneficiaries, but we had soup kitchen. Yafola and wakutya kula soup kitchen ayiziwa kuko kwakutya ubapha abantu stratweni ukutya awunokuthengisa okanye ubutye kokwenu uyabo. So yeah, so that day we gave 60 families there a meal plus a food hamper, and then ke ngoku impahla ke ngoku nezinye hampers sazisa old age home nase orphanage home.
That's nice.
So this is other thing like indiyenzayo ukuthi like giving back to the community, you know.
Beautiful.
So so now the plan is to, you know, to get like a space like a shelter, because you'll find ukuthi like aba bantu basestratweni batyinyayo okanye baze prostitute umntana wayize ezofunda evets okanye ezofunda eUJ qha ke ngoku, and abanye mhlawumbi uye wadivorsa waqonda uba makaresothe kwi-substance abuse. So ubabone like xa uhleli nabo like i-conversation onazo qonda uba this guy is well learned, this girl is intelligent. So enye into sifuna nje i-shelter, at least abanye banazo nee-IDs, sibase kuma-home affairs, sibafumanele ii-rehabs, sibenzele ii-CVs, bakwazi uri-integrate back into society, you know. So and enye into siyenzayo senza mentorship, i-workshops, you know, from your graphic designs, film, fashion, music.
So umuntu onomdla like umuntu omameleyo ngokwena Hotman yamo onofuna ufaka isandla kule msebenzi niwenzayo angawufaka njani, angasifaka njani?
All right. Right now banganthinta elnino84@gmail, or it's elnino84@gmail. But I think by next week website yet we should be on, yabo.
Okay.
Because website it's under construction. It's called Ubuntu Conscious Africa. Ubuntu is Ubuntu or Conscious with a K.
Okay.
Then Africa, not with a C, with a K as well. Yeah, yabo. So they can hit us up there. Yeah, man.
That's beautiful.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hayi ndicinga masivale ngoku noko sithethe kaninzi.
All right.
Sithethe kaninzi, but there's just few things sezokuvala nje siyavala nje siyaqhubeka
Sure.
because you ezinye izinto bukathena ndiyazicanga ngoku sesigqiba ngokuba because uthe ngento edibene noba yi-writer like ndike ndavana ngo-iFan into yoba ubukho wayibhalela ingoma ezithile like elinye igwijo.
So
ayadelela la
producer.
Why? Yeah, khawuthi nje kaqaba nje kancinci pha kwe.
No, like as an artist, when I'm talking to you, need to evolve, you know. Like I said, I also rap koko, you know. There's other things that you can do as an artist, like for instance, Lendo Ndienzayo, like you know, events and giving back to the community, just using the influence, the impact in Dinayo, Namandla Nayo, just to tap into other avenues, you know. So like songwriting and then composing and consultation, you know, like it's one of my strongholds as well, you know, my strong points rather. Yeah, well, so basically, like I said to you earlier on, the spread as an artist, you know, because other than the voice that I'm given, I believe that there's a lot that is still that I haven't explored, yabona lawe, or experiment, yabona lawe, with myself. So, and valela ngaphandle, and like they say, ukuthi, how you artist, you need to have like different revenue streams.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why like unbona kundaba clothing, you know, like for instance, any out here nginxibisa umtshato mfonini, like yabo bichat out here nginxibisa umtshato asifumana clients zami, you know, like yabo, and my stuff, it's not your microwave
Ingazikhawulezi.
yeah banithi 1.8 i-client zami you know, so yeah, but uyayazi ke indaba ye-business ke ngujingi qhiwu uyabona lawe. So yeah, basically, yeah man, for features, people, they can highlight me. You want me because hooks libala hooks
Master Hooks.
Hooks, yeah. So even like I can co-write a song with you, and I can identify a producer onospana nayo. If unospana kwi-album, awuna direction, tingazo consultants or advisor sizama ufaka
Olizo ngisho abantu abanjengolizo baza kuba baconduct yabo
I release a song
before busy amapiano yena busy amapiano.
So like and I've got like i-database ye-producers ezithile, i-database ye-engineers, i-database yabantu abashuta ividiyo, i-database yabantu ababhizi ne-graphics. So yeah man, it's just what Conscious Sunday Media specializes on, you know.
Yeah.
Connected. Well connected.
Where is that the last one? Where is that song? The song adi I find you. Oh, hey Kula iti walilu mama
Angal
Kerara.
mama
Kerara.
jonga ke lo nje wathi uthethe uyangifika phakathi ngiyamfonela. Hayi ke cause ibras zezasihlalisa phansi ibras mos. Ethe ucwela amaXhosa mos. So ibras sihlalise zithi ibras. Zithi ibras eksenini besike sadibana nebras zami. Besike cause uba ibra yethu nawe automatically mos noba dala mina nihlala nazo. Like say man besidibana nale ndoda yabo. Le ndoda le ifuna like usquasha lewe qha ithi yakwazi wena unjani yabona la. Yabo man ka reach out yale out ivuse ke ngoku kuhlela umdoda ke ngoku, you know.
Yeah.
Like say Man nina yikho le way yena nosiphathele umculo omnandi nina ugqiba kwenu.
Yabo,
Senze le way yabona la way ko grand la way. And ngoku la way it comes across as if mina ndiyathanda ukulwa.
Sure.
Of which just not the case. Indaba yami naye it was just dimele nje i-rights zami uyabona la way grand sharp. Ngabikho way mfonele amajidada mfethu udibana naye ngomso lo sayo. Okay, manje izicenge wethu man. Andizithuthe.
Yeah.
Because asihlali ku xa ifikile kulantwana asihlali kude sihlala fupi.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yabo dibane nochita. Kuse mocha akuse mntambo kuse chambers. Hey. Sure man kuse hamba ngiyazi ntoni. Kunje nanje ndivile ba ukhe wa reach out kwi-bras yabo ngohlobo wena mntakwethu yabo.
Yeah.
And wasekhaya ayifana uzalwa ngumamthembu you know, so andiyazi basibanga ntoni. And I'm the one who advise yena ba makarepe ngesixhosa. You know,
Utsho mos.
so andiyazi basibanga ntoni. Yeah, okay siyazi indaba yedlozi yabo cause uyayazi naye ukuze lenzeke idlozi ngubani ophinde wamfaka eGauteng ngubani.
Funa nesigwasha le beef.
Yabo sat saba grand. So afone ke ngokibriam. Hey cousin. Ndithi cousin right athi andi grand mntakwethu zikhiphani. Ndithi na man khona manje ni track endifuna siyenze. Mandiva finally out here Upsweke KG. Yabona le brand incitshwa
Ugxarha
uGxarha nami ndincane.
Utawonkawo vele igama layo.
Not ukhawa.
Oh, okay, not your.
Oh, not your. Upswe.
Okay, no benke ndayithi.
KG extra rapper yeah. Ay fiki kule ngoma apha. Hey. Qamba man finally nifonele le Upswe. Because amazi vocalist uMac yabo so noma sobetha ingoma emnandi yapha yabo. Hlala umntakwethu ay. Hey. Man the beat. Kayo usiqala phakathi lewe. Kayiqale eqaleni. Yeah. Cause dimve sithi ndicela uphinde undise apha ngoku apha kule ngoma.
Hayibo manje.
Ibri. Dithi ngicela uyidlala. Akadubuli. Kuba.
Kwathi bakadiso uqobile.
Ufuna libethi say yo. Ngibalela amazinyo nake dentist. Kubat chomi yam. Akuzongena up after chomi yam. Okay, sibani lines. Akanditsho kubani. Itsho kubani?
Yeah.
Itsho kubani?
Ayikisa.
Qaqinisile. Noba ndishaye u68 bars. Xa ndithi ndiyabuya man zikhona ibhasi zami ezingekhoyo man apha kwenzeka ntoni ngoku Bri.
Kupe zonke.
Uzikhuphe unedithele wake wayivaphi into. Yabhoqa lo. Awuquma ke mntana ndithemba siyikhuphe la yabona la ngoma. Babe siyikhuphile nomntakwethu as is because awuyagibisela naye.
Yeah.
But yena ebene advantage because unexesha loba se studio. Mna ndifike ngambuza zange ndikanibhale mina pha.
There were
Shaye nje four bars andimbhale the rest.
a freestyle yonke.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's
Hayibo Bri. Oh, saphinde bangathi yaqala ingcoba kayifaka ke. Ke saphinde damxelela qha like I've been honest
Yeah.
but if uzongona edit my verse cela singayikhuphi ke mina wethu man.
Yeah.
Bad blood.
Because I say you land boy.
Ayiseyiyo kaloku awunomedithela kaloku iverse. So ke saphinde singayikhuphi shem but andiyazi ba cause naye usa ndiyambona ba usengungcabalaza akakho ba ndiyikhuphe ndingayikhuphi because ithe if uyayikhupha le way suyi-edita if uzayi-edita suyikhupha ke mntakwethu yabo because ndibaleka laa nto yenzekileyo yabo akuncedi uba sirome around in squares yebo uyibona impuku xa ibaleka kula way
La way yabe manje
Kuye endaweni eyi-1
endaweni eyi-1 man la way iyaspin. Yakuva.
so okay but ke all in all andigrand umntakwethu
nice
sigrand umntakwethu sigrand
nizawusebenza
Any future features nina noyi-2?
yohani hayi bathi bazawusebenza
hayi kaloku that's why ndisithi it's not CPT
Yeah.
already bahlala sirekhoda ngane-EP it's not CPT against PE
yebo
Conference, yeah.
but
but yo sibagrand yabona to be quite honest xa sihlele estudio nalaa ndoda
Actually, it's hip hop.
yeah, no hip hop afethu kaloku it's very competitive it's more like a combat you know and hence there's battles and there's aggression yabo ekhoyo and whatnot you know
No
but
hard feelings.
no hard feelings but that's why like you'll find ukuthi like koma USA we have a same crew but it's a battle against each other you know but I know all in all man like if I can advise amachita ndithi iyanhlukwano noba zinhlaba zahlukane I build the Knicks
That's true.
because like I said inyawo alinampumlo you know but ke you don't force yourself into people or a person or whatever
To anything.
to anything you're not gonna
Reproduce or what?
reciprocate yeah
sifunde gqithi
Ndine-question yokugqibela Denzo man before sibalekeni ne xolo wena Khotman yam ndilandoza nala question like ibaluleke kanjani kangakanani uba business minded kwilandoza as i-artist like uphiwe ingqondo ye-business and uphiwe i-wisdom kwilandoza kwi-hip hop industry.
my brother like siphila kwixesha whereby information it's out there the access to information it's out there ne-smartphone kone-internet cafe nayi-laptop
ufuna ntoni
ntoni oyifunayo uyakwazi wena uzipha
Okay.
uyafristana lawe i-tools ozaziyo uba okay i-music business ihamba kanjani into ethile ihamba kanjani or ukhona umuntu kwalapha okusurroundiweyo ohlala nawe
Sure.
onayo yona laa ngqondo if wena maybe it's gonna be too much for wena even though sometimes izinto ungazukwazi uzenzela ngokwakho because wena mhlawumbi funeka ufocusile creativity and whatnot
and then unid omnye for i-admin
yes omnye like le way bunixelela ngayo ngoba ndinibuza ba ithini team yakho injani team yakho yabona lawe so but all in all umuntu needs to be inquisitive mfowethu ube curious ukuthi ihamba kanjani lento le ihamba kanjani le ihamba kanjani le yabona so but it's very important when mfowethu uzazi rights zakho even the legal side
Okay.
the legal side ungaba business minded but if you are not protected
Yeah.
from the legal side in terms of you know your percentages, you know your royalties, you know if there's a sync deal, you zonke zazinto uyabona wena phuto wami. So yeah mfowethu but yona hey it's very important ukuthi umuntu uzazi into osifaka kuyo yafastana if awukwazi khona lo angakwaziyo man ukuridela i-contract yafastana if mhlambi uxakwe sisihuwa yabona lawe so uyazi ba okay Buddha can't break it down lo uthini lo muntu lo yabo because ezinye izinto they are hidden kula black and white uyabo and wena uphethwe i-excitement wena awunaxesha lo scrutinize i-contract yabona lawo uyatshikitsha and then ngoku kukho amajita azibone later on ba fuck now ndajikitsha 5 albums
damn
yeah
Abesenze one album.
mainstream bendizele i-1 album thetha mainstream
yeah
bambekile awukwazi urelease unless uzawureleasa ngelinye igama ngoku Joba ni new wave.
Awufuna urelease ngelinye.
Nebe khona enye igama.
Ngeke uqambe elinye.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because usazibophela.
Hayi,
Yeah,
man.
because ngoku that brand it becomes kaloku.
Yeah.
We have to start.
Kanapha.
Yeah.
What's the one thing sivale ke ngoku?
Yeah, masivaleni.
Oyiregretayo that eyona decision owayenzayo just one oqondayo bangase ndiyi-correct oyiregretayo owayenzayo decision.
Sure. Uske wanzulu ke ngoku nami.
I know it's a tough one,
But
but
I have a couple, you know.
there's one oqondayo but this one
Should be
andilibali.
one.
And I would love to correct
Like as far as music is concerned, or just in life.
Your life
anything,
personal.
anything, but you like to mhlawumbe ngimini kalophuma elinye ithuba ingasuke correct loo nto le.
I think selutshwala.
Powerful.
Yeah.
Powerful.
Yeah, because ezinye decisions endazenzayo I was under the influence. Like I'm being vulnerable right now, yabo. Like
I like it.
I'm stripping myself naked. Because ezinye decisions ezabangela ezinye izinto. I think utshwala, you know, and I would advise amachita substances bafethu zizo ezimessa up into ezithile relationships uyabo bad decision making yavustana lawe and ucima mhlawumbe uloyiwe kanti uziloyile yabona lawe because sometimes uyathetha ungathethi wena thetha spirit. That's why it was alcohol. That's the Arabic name, which is spirit. You know. So I think most of the artists, you know, because we think a lot. And sometimes you know they don't go according to our expectations. You know, and we get depressed. And slibale utshwala as much as ba a anti-depressant. Depressant. You know?
By itself.
Yeah, by itself. Yeah, I think but ke ngoku bazawuthi abantu xa bethetha mabathethe ke phofu uyabo bazothi but into isemntwini akho nto isedodeni okanye isemntini but ke trust you me uyabo but ke kuthiwa we live and learn sometimes liphandlwa kube kanye libone, you know.
Exactly.
So kuyo yonke into yenzayo phofu, you know, noba uthanda amantombazana, you must be considerate and you must moderate your intake in everything that you do, so that like ube ne clear vision, cause awusemabhandini uba blur
Blur white.
ayiseko black and white ngugray
Yeah, that's why ingamkelekanga nasemsebenzini.
and abantu bayibaleka la reality and it's a
reality.
it's a huge
and they are
problem that we are facing.
Exactly.
Sibabona abantu bedivorce, sibabona abantu besifa, sibona car accidents,
Abantu
sibona
baluza imisebenzi.
baluza imisebenzi, high rate of suicide, like sonke away.
Nelizwe limkayo.
Yeah.
Limka ngaloo nto leyo.
But ndiyabulela madoda man.
Thank you so much.
Ngondamkela New Wave podcast bekumnandi. Abantu maba expect i-album yam. It's not gonna be an EP, it's gonna be an album. New Igucho Wave is dropping. I haven't got a title yet. Still have 3 titles for the album. Uyanifumana ku Facebook kwamanxeba manxeba ntoni? Qhumelelwano.
Yeah, kwezaa nkundla
I know the
Yeah, man, don't you. So uzanifumana pha ngu-El Nino Ndikhona ku Spotify, ndikhona kuzo zonke digital platforms. What else? ELNINO84@gmail. Conscious Sundays. I-event endiyenzayo eGauteng, so if use uzwakale bayakuxelela ke ndibahostile abantu abaninzi from eKapa, Eastern Cape, Durban, Mpumalanga, as far as Europe and the States. Ngosi bafethu ngona
Thank you
kela
so much.
Man, yo, we had a
Thank you
great
so much, Hotman. Yo, it was what an interview. If you still have time, you can do it if you like it.
Funeka aqala itsho naye.
Izululela.
Makayitsho naye, makayitsho kaloku camera.
Ayikwazi icula kaloku. Mari ngiyithanda manje kwazi icula.
Uyayicela kaloku ngoku.
Uyayicela.
Ngicela ungiphivese.
Cela
Dayibeyi-1.
zibembini.
Zibe yi-2 ivesi yakho.
Kaloku ndithi zibembini line, andithi zibe yi-2 ivesi. Unjani nalo?
Masikhoqe. Ngicela ivesi zibe yi-2 mna.
Okay. Sithini siyeke? Kaya sithini? Cela uyacela.
Ndiyayazi ingoma zii-lines endingazaziyo.
Hayi.
Uthini?
Bangawe ke uthi
Ndimculela i-chorus buta.
Uthini nani?
Izululela.
Asabhimbi utatakho. Ithini zalile emlanjeni nyembezi zika Queen Victoria yesikinimba mhlaba wazamazama yinyikima besi fobantwana abantu abadala yinyikimanza uthini na indonga zeJericho xa sezidilika ndoyika like a Titanic nesibona ndizika nzawufika and I won't panic yanoba sajika yini na ushiyela nina wemsindisi wam kwingcingwa enemies nxa neligazi lam Satana phuma kulo mzimba ngiyehova yena umgcini wam Satana suka kulo mzimba awusoze wenza idini ngam umoya wecikitwa ndancika ivoice impintshi zam ndaqonda ndajikitsha nekhokha xa nekhinxi qwa yabona sekhona
That was my favorite verse.
It's your favorite one.
That's
I have a lot of favorites. Thank you, Hotman.
Nice one.
Never end. It's inspirational, yeah. Educational, conversational, yeah.